Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Amp Edition.
Just a short message, this video was made possible thanks to Funkykit. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by clicking on the affiliated links down below. If you're planning to make a purchase, why not visit our Amazon store to find some great bargains. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video.
The GeForce GTX 1660 Ti is Nvidia's latest GPU and has been released only a couple of weeks ago. We already reviewed the MSI version and the performance was pretty stunning. In fact, almost matching and sometimes even beating the GeForce GTX 1070. With Zotac's Amp Edition, the GPU clock runs at 1860 MHz, so the performance should be a little bit better. What I like about Zotac, and this is true across the entire range of graphics cards, is their compact size. This should fit in about 99% of all chassis out there. It also comes with the Ice Storm 2.0 for extra cooling, and of course their Firestorm software for overclocking your card even further. Let's do a quick unboxing, install this graphics card on our test system and see how it performs against the MSI version and also the other GeForce GTX 10 series and 20 series. So see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, so look. Alright, so inside the box we have an envelope. It's just an instruction manual, quick setup guide, and that's it. Yeah. No cables, no adapters, just the graphics card itself. And here we have the Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. It's quite a small, compact graphics card. That'll fit in 99% of all cases. It's quite small, yeah. 2 fans, and it's got the Ice Storm 2.0 cooling. You can see the copper heat pipes and a fairly decent heatsink. Okay, and on top of here then you have the 8-pin PCIe power, just the one that you need. Alright, it has a very nice backplate, yeah, a metal backplate. It helps with the cooling as well as the supporting, give it a nice stability there, right? Okay, and the I/O kind of connectivity, we have 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI. Sadly, there's no LED lighting, so there's no spectral lighting on this, but you do get the Firestorm overclocking software. It's currently running at 1860 MHz, so you can actually overclock it further, but be warned, any overclocking is done at your own risk. Alright, so this is the quick unboxing. Let's put this in our test rig and see how it performs. See you in a bit. There's no denying, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Amp Edition is currently one of the fastest GTX 1660 Ti's available. This is all thanks to the overclocked GPU that runs at a boost speed of 1860 MHz. In all of our benchmark tests, it performed beautifully, producing a time spy score of 6,562 and a Final Fantasy 15 score of 6,972. It easily outperforms the GTX 1070 and even matching the GTX 1070 Ti in some cases. And as I mentioned before, the compact size of this graphics card makes it really appealing to a lot of gamers and also system builders. It will fit in 99% of all chassis out there. Although this graphics card lacked the spectral lighting, it does come with the Ice Storm 2.0 cooling solution, which helps with the reducing the full load temperature to around about 60 degrees Celsius. You also get a nice solid metal backplate for support, and I suppose it does help with the heat dissipation. I haven't tried overclocking this card as it's fast enough for me, but if you're one of those speed junkies, you can always use Zotac's Firestorm software to overclock the card even further. You should get around 1900 to 1920 MHz range or even higher. But be warned, any overclocking is done at your own risk. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Edition is one of those graphics cards I would recommend to a lot of gamers and users out there. It's fast, affordable, and with a boost clock speed of 1860 MHz, you can't really go wrong. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. This is the Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Edition with an overclocked GPU of 1860 MHz, giving you stunning visuals and great performance. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.